What's up, guys? It's June. We're gonna go check out some car shows. We're gonna check out this little car pop-up meet. All right, we just rolled up. Let's see if there's some fun. Guys chilling out. It's Sunday night, so probably pretty chill. Let's go see if there's some cool cars, all right? Let's do it.
I don't think so. So most places like they have like an age agreement just so they can see the same horsepower regulation. But BMW is like BMW has. So they give you like a little bit more. Like this one has. This one has. Because I found one the other day. Somebody was selling one. It's a warehouse somewhere down here in this house. And they're selling it. I sell them like $350. I said, no, cheap.
All right, we're doing a little vibe check here on the Sunday night car meet in North Austin here at In-N-Out Burger in Pflugerville. It's been a good time, little pop-up car meet. We got to do a vibe check. The vibes are pretty high. Nice chill Sunday. Because the goal is to be chill, I'm gonna give this one a 9.1. They're crushing the chill, park and chill up here, North Austin. Hope you guys are enjoying the cars. Hope you guys are having a good time. Come join the culture. Bring your car out, have a good time. Come park, meet some friends, check out some cool cars. I hope you guys are enjoying life. Love you guys. Let's go see some more cars.
An hour ago.
Hell no.
Oh, you stopped? Yeah. You're missing out.
Just put a splitter on it. Put H&R springs on it. Like, yeah, you gotta lower it. Or you put it. If you put a splitter, why not? Why don't we just?
No, we didn't. Why would I turn it on? Oh, he does all the time. It's not you.
right, I hope you enjoyed that little car meet here in Pflugerville. Checking out some cars, having a good time, meeting some friends. Catch us at the next one. And if you haven't liked and subscribed, please leave a comment below, like and subscribe. Let me know if I'm doing a good job on any of these videos. Let me know what I could do better in the comments, you know. Any of your feedback, much appreciated. Thanks for watching. Love you guys. See you on the next one.